R. Vinay Kumar from Royal Challengers Bangalore. R. Ashwin from Chennai Super Kings.
Sahara IPL Award for Best Bowler 2010 goes to Pragyan Oja of Deccan Chargers.
तुम बॉल डालोगे हम जान डालेंगे, तुम खेल खेलोगे हम जहाँ पे खेलेंगे। तुम बॉल डालोगे हम जान डालेंगे।
Thank you so much. I'm so very happy. And Deccan Chargers, thank you for giving me this opportunity to play for your team. And Bhajipa, he's been brilliant. He's great as a senior. I have a lot of respect for him. And last not but the least, Kip K.
And for the final award for tonight, the Viewers' Choice Award for the Sahara IPL Best Batsman.
And the nominees for the Best Batsman are...
Best Batsman 2010, Viewers' Choice. Sachin Tendulkar from Mumbai Indians. Murali Vijay from Chennai Super Kings. Mahila Jayawardene from Kings 11 Punjab. Suresh Raina from Chennai Super Kings. Robin Uthappa from Royal Challengers Bangalore. Jacques Kallis from Royal Challengers Bangalore.
It gives me great pleasure to announce Sahara IPL Award for Best Batsman 2010 goes to Sachin Tendulkar of Mumbai Indians.
Congratulations. We don't have Sachin in the house, so ma'am, I would request you to accept the award on his behalf.
May I call our coach Robin?
Yes, please.
Robs, can you come up, please? Robin, and on behalf of all of us from Mumbai Indians, this is for Sachin.
Congratulations. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for doing the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, हर साल यही होता है. जब IPL का सीजन खत्म होता है, तो एक खालीपन, एक सूनापन आ जाता है. A void that's hard to fill.
Let's hear it for the one-man army, the man behind the IPL, the man who dared to dream and then lead it to the finishing line. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the creator of one of the biggest brands ever in Indian sporting history, Lalit Modi.
Would you like to invite on stage Mr. Lalit Modi to say a few words?
I didn't expect to come on stage. It wasn't part of something they told me I'd be doing. Well, thank you all from the bottom of my heart for really making this come true. It was a dream that I had 17 years ago. I never knew I could fulfill it. But standing before you all today, I'd like to thank each and every one of you, all the players, all the owners, all my team, and biggest of all the fans all around the world who have really, really made this the world's biggest league. Thank you all for making a dream come true. Not many people in their life realize their dream. I have, and I'm eternally grateful for that. I thank my family for really having patience with me, for not being with them. I love you all, and thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lalit. Thank you very, very much for joining us on stage. And like a grand finale moment for us on this very prestigious occasion, ladies and gentlemen, if you could have all the winners tonight come on stage for a grand finale for this very celebratory evening, could we please request all the winners for tonight to join us on stage just now? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the most prestigious and biggest family that Indian television and sports has ever seen, the IPL. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
I feel great and very proud that the Chinnaswamy Stadium has got this award.
I've been really excited. I was expecting some award like a best bowler or something, but it's really happy to be the best, the award for the economical bowler.
I think it's a huge honor and it's something which I will always cherish for the rest of my life.
It's a great feeling, coming to the IPL, I always want to come here and perform and, show what I can do, and given the opportunity by Mumbai's, and I really, really appreciate it, and I thank them very much.
Wonderful acknowledgement to know that they're the people watching the game, and they're the most important people in the game. They enjoy the way I play, and I really appreciate their support.
I'm a very casual person. I generally am out with a jeans and a t-shirt, but I don't know how I'm so stylish.
It's something special for me. I'm really happy, and thanks to God, I think he's been really kind to me.
To be very frank, yes, I was expecting, because I've done pretty well in this tournament, and the way things were going, I was positive about it.